Good evening, and thank you for joining us. My name is Erin, and this is EMBARC's Daily News for Thursday, June 4th. Tonight, we discuss free meals available for children in Waterloo and new outbreaks in Council Bluffs and Storm Lake, along with a special message from Iowa Legal Aid about what you can do when your landlord tells you to move out of your home. First, an update on COVID-19 cases. An additional 60 people tested positive for a total of 20,012 cases. There were 6 deaths for a total of 564. As Iowa begins to reopen, it is still important for you to wear a mask and practice social distancing whenever possible. Waterloo schools are continuing their grab-and-go free meal pickup program until August 14th. Meals are available for children 18 and younger on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Pickup times are different by location. The locations are listed in the description below. There were 2 new outbreaks at Tyson plants in Council Bluffs and Storm Lake, Iowa. Storm Lake location reopened on Wednesday, June 3rd after testing employees and cleaning the plant. 815 positive cases are reported at the 2 plants. More than half of them showed no symptoms. Now part 1 of the special message from Iowa Legal Aid about what you can do if you are asked to move out of your rental home.
Hello, my name is Alex Cornia. I'm an attorney at Iowa Legal Aid. Today, I'm here to talk about evictions. Many people are scared right now. They're scared about what will happen if they can't pay the rent. They are worried about what their landlord might do and whether they will have to leave their home. I'm here to give you some information to help you understand your rights so that you can make the best plan possible for how you will make it through this difficult time. Number 1, your landlord cannot make you leave without a court order. Whether a tenant has a right to stay in their home is a question that only a court can decide. If an eviction is filed against you, you will get paperwork from the court that will tell you when and where you need to be to tell the court your side of the story. You have a right to an interpreter, but you should let the court know as soon as possible if you need one. You should also make sure to bring any documents, pictures, or witnesses that will help you explain your side of the story. Number 2, if your landlord wants to make you leave, the first thing she has to do is to give you a notice. The notice must be in writing. The notice might say, for example, that you have 3 days to pay the rent, or maybe 7 days to fix a problem that the landlord says that you are causing. There are other kinds of notices as well. The law requires that the notice clearly and accurately tell you what you need to do to fix the problem. If the notice is inaccurate or unclear, or says that you need to pay an illegal fee or debt to fix the problem, then you may have a defense in a later eviction case. Number 3, there are new laws that may affect you. There is also a new federal law that protects some people living in housing that has some connection to the federal government. This law, called the CARES Act, prevents many evictions at least through July 25th, 2020, and potentially longer. It can be complicated to figure out whether you live in federally connected housing, though. You can check Iowa Legal Aid's website for more information. The CARES Act also requires landlords to give a 30-day notice before evicting tenants who live in this federally connected housing.
If your landlord told you to leave your home and you need help communicating, or you want to call Iowa Legal Aid, please call the EMBARC Helpline. That's all for today's news. We will see you again on Friday for part 2 of this special message from Iowa Legal Aid. If you find our updates helpful, please click subscribe on YouTube and share them with your friends and family. Thank you for tuning in and have a good night.